Hello, fellow humans of Earth. So happy to have you joining us here today for a very special tutorial. This is Web3 Tools of the Trade. I am Gifdead, your humble Web3 Sherpa, and I'm so happy to be here to tell you about some of my favorite tools that I've found are invaluable for keeping up with the fast-paced world of NFTs and NFT trading. If you haven't already, we would really appreciate it if you'd go down there and smash the like. I don't need to tell you how algorithms work. You're too smart. You already know. Just know that we really appreciate it and it makes a big difference. And it also helps donate to my duplicator relief fund. So all of that said, we have to shout out NFTGo because they are honestly the perfect partner and they are the sponsor of the Web3 network this month. And we couldn't be more excited to partner with them because we already use their tools every day in our shows on the network. That's what's amazing. They are one of the best places for real-time data and analytics on everything that's happening with NFTs. And so that's why it's awesome for me to have this opportunity to share with you more about why their tools are so incredible. So smash that like, and then let's get into it. All right. The tool that I think is one of the most valuable, underrated tools for trading NFTs and staying up to date on the market is the Chrome extension, the free Twitter Chrome extension from NFTGo.io. If you go to Google and just type in NFTGo Chrome extension, it'll pop right up. We're gonna put a link into the bio for you. So down there in the description, make it super easy for you. Check that out. It'll take you straight to the Chrome web store, which is where this goes. If you Google it, click NFTGo Chrome extension, there you go. Right there in the Chrome web store, that's it. You can see up here in the top right for me, it says remove because I already have it installed, of course. I won't uninstall and reinstall, but just know it's that easy. You just go there, click the download and install button, and then it will pop up underneath the little puzzle icon with your other extensions like MetaMask. It'll show up in there once you've got it installed. And it's that easy. Again, all these things, all these tools are totally free. That's part of why we love NFTGo so much, providing these powerful tools to the community. Once it's installed, you head over to Twitter and it might look a little bit different. So if we jump over here to my Twitter homepage, and then over here on the right where they've got these widgets, you have your normal Twitter, what's happening, what's trending, you've got that. But then if you scroll down, it might look a little bit different. So right here, you've got drops. You can expand it with the show more. These are upcoming NFT drops that have been vetted by NFTGo.io. And we'll talk a little bit more about that in a minute. But if you keep scrolling down, you see NFT trends. And again, this is what I love so much about this tool. Why I think it is one of the most powerful tools as an NFT trader you can be using, because it fits into my day-to-day activities. I'm scrolling on Twitter, looking for news, updating, sharing content, all that type of stuff. And I get real-time updates piped straight into my Twitter homepage. I don't even have to leave Twitter to get all of this stuff, but that's where you're gonna see volume trends, whale trends, all different kinds of signals that you probably wanna know about. And they're all just gonna be updated there in real time. So if a collection is getting a bunch of volume, or if there's a bunch of sales happening on a collection, if whales are dumping something, you're gonna get all of that updated in real time in your Twitter feed right here under NFT trends. So this I've used countless times to pick up on momentum plays. If something, is getting thousands of buyers, new collectors in the last 24 hours, it'll show up here. Or if something's dumping, if something has increased volume by 500% in the last hour, you can pick up on all of those early signals right here in real time. And all of this is hyperlinked. That's what's also really cool about this integration, is that you can click through on any of these and it will take you to the collection pages where you can learn more. So let's click on this Azuki update. It says 3 whales just bought Azuki in the last 24 hours. If you click on that, share this tab, takes you to the Azuki account page. And here's one of the other really cool things about this Chrome extension. You can see around the PFP, the profile picture here, there's a blue, sometimes it's a blue circle. Here it's a blue square. I guess that's an organization thing now if you get a badge. But this highlighted blue circle square around the PFP with that NFTGo logo means that this project has been registered and picked up by the Chrome extension. And so if you scroll down just under the followers here, you can see all of the collection data is integrated directly in here for you. So you can see 4,536 holders, number of blue chip holders, number of whales, total volume. You've got floor price, 24-hour and 7-day percentage increases. All of this info included right here. And you can even expand that to show all of the key activity, the specific transactions, all of this within Twitter for you right here on the collection page. So again, absolutely powerful to follow along with different collections, do collection analysis in real time, all without leaving Twitter. So that's the collection page, but also this can pick up on the whales or big artists, other specific influencers that maybe you follow on Twitter. So if we go back to the homepage and let's just pull up Makai Big Brother as an example, right? So Makai is a big collector in the space, well-known whale. So if I go to his Twitter account, you can see again, it has the blue circle highlighting his PFP and it has a little whale icon. And that's how you know, it even says whale next to his name. That's how you know the NFTGo extension has registered his account, and you can see a bunch of details about his portfolio and his trading data right here on his profile. So right underneath here, and again, you can actually open this up, expand it, see a lot more of the nitty-gritty details about what Makai has been up to. And then you can also, if you want, click through, say more on NFTGo. If you want to get even more granular, get more data, click through, and it will take you directly to his page, all of his data, all of his transactions. Again, this is one of the really powerful things that NFTGo does particularly well, and that's follow whale activity. So you can go on NFTGo.io, you can actually create alerts for different accounts, different whales that you want to follow, and then you can follow along with all their trades. Like if you want to copy trade some of these big collectors, if you like their style, you like the types of art that they're collecting, you think that they've got the alpha and the insights, maybe that's a good strategy for you. NFTGo is great for whale watching, following whales, and that whole trading strategy. So that's an example of how it follows influencers and different whales or different artists even on Twitter, and provides this data directly in Twitter. And then we can go to the drops. So this is also really important. So again, right over here on the right, you have upcoming drops. Now, where does this information come from? This is really, really key, really important to understand. All of the upcoming drops that are shown in the Twitter extension here, all this data is pulled directly from the NFTGo website. And so this is actually coming from a vetted list of upcoming drops that the NFTGo team has already pre-vetted. So what does that mean? It does not mean that it's 100% safe. Of course, there's always chances for doing rugs. You always need to do your own research, DYOR. But if we go over here, let me just pull up NFTGo.io. If we go to NFTGo.io, right next to the logo here, if you hover over the Discover tab, at the bottom it says Drops. This Drops page is an incredibly valuable resource because this is where all this data is being pulled from straight into Twitter. And this is the list of pre-vetted upcoming drops that the NFTGo team has at least said, okay, we think that this is reasonably legit, seems more legit than the average list, as opposed to, just an aggregator. Sorry, let me pull that up. So this is on the NFTGo webpage. Let me just go back really quick. It's right here in case I missed that. Next to the logo under the Discover tab, go down to Drops, and this is where it takes you, upcoming drops. So again, this is not a promise that they're all gonna 10x or 100x, but it is at least an extra step or two to reduce the likelihood that you're just gonna get rugged on some shitty projects. And that's tremendously valuable. Again, as opposed to just an aggregator that just pulls every single project or anybody can list, or it's pay to play and you just get anybody putting their upcoming stuff on there. This has at least been through a little bit of a vetting process, and the NFTGo team is willing to list it and say, hey, we think this is a reasonably good project. So again, that is on NFTGo's website. That's where the drop page is. It's under Discover. Again, highly recommend this resource as a great place for all of the upcoming drops. Again, if you want to have something that's got a little bit more credibility behind it. And then if we go back again to Twitter, this is what that looks like. And all this, again, updated in real time. And again, it's hyperlinked. So what's so cool about this specifically in the Chrome extension is if I go down here, like let's look at Ether. Ether, I know, is a pretty big upcoming project. Seems pretty legit. A lot of people are really excited. I can click through on that. Takes you to the official account, Twitter account, and you can see again, it's picked up by the extension, has the circle, it's got a little drop icon next to it. And then right here in Twitter, I've got all of the drop details. How dope is this? I got the mint price, 0.35 ETH, total supply, the mint date with a countdown, and then all of the relevant info right here at your fingertips, again, directly in Twitter. So you got the website, Discord, calendar, mint info. If I just click on the website icon, it'll take me over to the official Ether website. So there you go. That is why I love this tool so much, and it is one of the tools that I use every single day. Again, it fits so well into my daily activities already, spending so much time on Twitter. Don't even have to leave to get all of this rich data, all of these insights, and most importantly, the real-time trends, alerts, and signals directly in my Twitter feed. So hope you enjoyed that and found it useful and informative. Smash the like if you haven't, and let us know in the comments, are there any other tools that you have found that you think that we should share? We're always looking for really valuable tools to share with our community to help stay on top of everything happening in Web3. So with that, we appreciate you, and that's our vibe, our tribe. Take care.